In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in Clickup. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring spreadsheet data into the right place in your workspace with clean formatting and accurate field mapping. Start inside ClickUp on the dashboards area, then head into your workspace. From there, open Settings. We'll do the entire import from the workspace settings so everything lands where you expect. In Settings, look for Imports and Exports. Open that, then choose Import Items. On the import screen, select Spreadsheet as the source, since we're bringing in a CSV. Next, choose the location for your import. This is important. Pick the space, folder, or list where your new task should live. If you plan to use custom fields, make sure they already exist in that location or be prepared to map to new ones during the import. After setting the location, select your date format. Match this to how your CSV stores dates, for example, MMDDYY or DDMMY, so due dates and start dates come in correctly. Then choose the delimiter for multi-value fields like tags or multi-select custom fields. If your CSV separates values with commas or semicolons, set that here to avoid everything merging into one value. Click Continue, then upload your file. Select your CSV from your computer. It helps if your first row contains clear headers like name, description, due date, assignee, status, and tags. Once the file is uploaded, review and confirm each mapping choice. This is the heart of a clean import. Map the column that identifies the task title to the task name field. Align description text with description, dates with the appropriate date fields, and status with your ClickUp statuses. For assignees, make sure the names or emails in your CSV match existing users. If not, you can import without assignees and update later. For tags and multi-select fields, confirm that your delimiter matches what you set earlier. If a column doesn't belong in ClickUp, set it to Do Not Import so you keep things tidy. Double-check time zones for date and time fields to avoid unexpected shifts. When everything looks right, continue and start the import into ClickUp. You'll see progress as items are created. Once it's finished, click Complete to close the importer. Head back to Home, then open the space you chose for the import. Look for the view or list named Spreadsheet Import to review your newly created tasks. Scan a few items to confirm titles, dates, statuses, and tags look correct. If anything seems off, adjust your CSV or mapping and run the process again. That's it, you've successfully imported a CSV into ClickUp.